Knowledge once lived in books. Now it lives in execution. Reading about AI isn't building AI. At the Huawei booth at MWC, this isn't theory, it's training. Learning becomes doing, and doing builds the future. What is that? And right now I'm inside MWC Barcelona 2026. I've come here today to learn more about smart education. Let's go check it out. What is that? An ancient laptop or some kind of mystery gadget? More importantly, why is this in the Huawei education booth at MWC? Maybe this magic box holds the master key to the future of education.
Morning, Dom.
Very excited to be here at MWC today. Lots going on. Behind us, what do we have?
Yes, there we have an AI training box. With its enterprise level environment and also the optimized computing power, it's just like opening an application. Open it and start creating.
Great. So today's challenge, get AI to recognize a phone. But there's a problem. Industries evolve at lightning speeds. Can our classrooms do more than just teach AI theory? Can we equip the students to actually build with it?
We turn complex industry code into easy hands-on practice, allowing students to directly build AI recognition, classification, and tracking systems. Yes, it says over here, you can see it tells you how much likely it is going to be a phone, like more than 70%, how much probability there are.
The future isn't about who knows AI, it's about who can deploy it. And when learning connects directly with real industry, education stops being theory and starts being launch mode.
So today it can recognize the phone, but maybe in the future we can recognize the factory defects, and crop diseases, and also the logistics sorting, etc. Same technology, but with infinite possibilities.
So the real question is, if you had your own AI capability cube, what would you build first? Your move.